guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna get super glam, and if you want to see how I did this very soft glam, easy to follow tutorial from start to finish, then definitely keep on watching. Let's get into this look. Grab some coffee, grab a snack, and let's just get glam. Let's have some fun. I mean, I'm probably not gonna go anywhere for Valentine's Day, so we're gonna get glam to just sit on our couch, watch Netflix and chill and eat some chocolates, you know? I mean, sounds good to me. Alright, so I already primed my face with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I did about two and a half pumps. I already applied that, so the skin is nice and fresh. And I think I'm going to go with this foundation today, the AOA Studio Buildable Satin Foundation. This is pretty good for a $2 foundation. It's pretty impressive. I'm gonna give it a good shake. It's been a while since I've used it. And I'm super excited because we're gonna be using this brand new, I haven't used it yet, the Mauves by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Oh, I don't really have a good mauve eyeshadow palette. Now I will say that it's definitely more pinky than I like a more muted mauve color, but I think we'll be able to do a nice pretty pink look today. And look at me, I curled my hair, did a little hairstyle. That's one of my goals this year, is to get back into doing hairstyles and getting better at it. And maybe if you guys want to see some hair tutorials, let me know. And my hair is purple now and I'm so happy with it. It looks so good. You guys missed my video of me dyeing my hair, definitely go check it out. I'm gonna use my Paw sponge, and as usual, if you want to know all the products, I will have them linked down below in the description box. So I'm going to mix these two shades together. I have Swan and Snow of the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm just going to mix the two. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Primer. Comes in a little tub like this. It's a nice nude color. I'm just going to take this BH 130 brush because I just did my nails and they're more like pointy, more of like an almond shape. I tried to do nail stamping on them, and when I did the top coat I didn't wait long enough and it bled. So now it's like really runny. I did like XOXO and some hearts and they look like absolute poo. Hey, I tried, you know, it's all about the effort. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna film a Valentine's Day tutorial. Let me do like some cute nails. So I like to apply it with the brush and just get it all over and then take my finger and kind of warm it up. I'm gonna take a little bit of the AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Powder in translucent, and I'm just gonna pick up a little bit on my sponge, just dab it in here. So we're just gonna set the concealer and just lightly set over that eye primer. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of this NYX No Filter finishing powder. I purchased this really randomly. I can't remember, where did I order this from? Maybe Target? Because I had to order a couple of things. This is in the shade Porcelain. It's a little dark, but what I like about this powder is that it's very like pearlescent. And so I've just been on the hunt, you guys, for a powder for more mature skin. And I'm just gonna set my face with this. This does have a little bit of color to it, but I'm just very lightly. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm gonna use this light bronzer from my Lunatick Cosmetic Labs Contour palette. And I'm gonna take this one right here. It's a really pretty bronzer color. And I have the AOA Studio F20 brush. The other one I used all over my face was the F12. All the brushes will be linked below. Just gonna really pounce my brush in here. I really like this bronzer because it has like a pinkish undertone. So I'm just gonna go along my nose, under my lip, and along my jawline, down my neck a little bit, just to kind of warm things up. All right, so for for blah, blah, blah. Oh my God. Ooh, boy. All right, so for blush, I picked out a few different ones. I'm not sure if I want to go with this Lumi one in Delicate Pink, because it's like a highlighter and a blush all in one. Ooh, that one's really pretty. I also have the Essence Silky Touch blush in the shade Adorable. I think I'm going to go with this one. It's a really pretty soft matte baby doll pink from Essence. I'm back to using my old BH brushes. This is the 125 from one of their sculpting blending sets. I feel like this is a really nice one for blush. Just gonna dip in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that cheek. Look at that cheek there. I really like that. I haven't worn this in a long time. It's really pretty. All right, and then for highlighter, we're just going all pink today. I'm gonna use the Halo highlighter in the shade Amore. And this is a beautiful, it's sort of like a baked highlighter. It has all these swirls of different colors. Mainly just this one looks pretty pink and like frosty. And just hug that cheek. Ooh, look at that. And what I love about these highlighters is that they're not like too crazy. I mean, they can definitely, oh, okay, I went a little too crazy on there. They can definitely be intense, but they can also apply it really softly. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of setting spray, the Too Faced Hangover. This is almost empty. I'm trying to use it up. I'm so excited. I placed a Shop Miss A order, and you should see a haul coming very soon this month in February. And I ordered a couple of fans because I feel like this is just not working. I want a fan so I can just bust it out and fan myself when I do my spray. All right, I'm gonna do my brows off camera and then we're going to get started with the eye look. All right, so today we're gonna be using the Juvia's Place, the Mauves palette. Look how pretty. If you guys missed I did a first impressions on the Nubian Royal palette, and I also purchased this one and the Violets palette. So haven't used this and I'm super excited. So I think the first shade I'm gonna start with probably is going to be this shade. It's a really nice mauve, you know, it's a mauve palette. So I'm gonna start by applying this in the crease and we'll just see what this looks like. Just going back and forth, circular motions. Ooh, that is a pretty pink color. I definitely want to do like a pinky mauve, not too dramatic of an eye look, but I do want to, you know, we're going glam. I'm just gonna use this little Milani pencil brush, same mauve color, apply that all along the lower lash line and connect that up. Wow, that's so pigmented. I barely dipped my brush in there. Wow. Now I know pinks can look a little weird, like you look tired or sick, so it really is important to add, you know, deeper colors to kind of add contrast. And once you put on mascara and liner and lashes, it all just sort of comes together. All right, we're going to deepen this look up. I'm going to use this e.l.f. blending brush, one of my favorites lately. And I think I'm going to go with this color right here, this matte shade. It's pretty dark, so I'm just going to barely, like, just boop, 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 boop. Start tapping this on, kind of like on the lid. I think this is going to be a nice purpley, oh yeah, look at that. That's so pretty. A nice purpley mauve color. Oof, that's really nice. So I'm just stamping this on, like halfway onto the lid and into that crease. And then I'm just going to slowly, little circular motions, back and forth, just start to blend that into the crease. And then if you want to go back in with that pink, just dip a little bit of that. You can simply just go back and forth with those two colors. All right, now I'm going to take a little bit of this on a more defined brush, the AUA Studio E115. It's kind of flat, kind of looks like a square. And I'm just going to go really close to the lash line because I want to give my lashes that smokiness, and this way I can control where the product goes. And then we can go back in with that soft pink color, just to control and not let it get too out of hand. Just going right along that edge. This is from Essence. It's the Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in 02 Espresso. I'm going to put that in the waterline. Alright, so I'm going to reach for another shade. This is the bite-sized eyeshadow from e.l.f. in Rose Water. I actually really like this little quad. It's super pretty. Definitely has that kind of dusty rose. I think I'm going to take this one and put that on the lid, and then this one to highlight the inner corner. So, oh, this is going to be so pretty. Oh, I forgot like how pretty this palette is. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do a winged liner. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. I've been really loving this lately. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and apply this Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And I might do a little bit of this e.l.f. one, Lash It Out Loud. So I'm going to let that mascara dry for a minute, and while that dries, we're going to put on a lip and then lashes, and we're almost done, you guys. So I have so many really pretty mauve lipsticks. One that I can definitely recommend you guys is called 01 I Am Fabulous. This is the Milani Bold Matte Lipstick. This color is everything. It's so pretty. Mini liquid lipsticks from the Balm Cosmetics, and I think I'm going to go with one of these just because it's long wearing, and I want something that is going to be long wearing. I think I'm going to go with the shade Courteous. Now, I don't know if you can buy this in a full size, but it's so cute. I did a full review on these little liquid lipsticks. I think this color is going to look really nice. Alright guys, so here is the completed look. I really love how this look turned out. Super soft, glam, easy. I wouldn't say that this look is super complicated. And I just really love these blushy mauve tones on the eyes, on the lips. I'm really liking it. So let me get up close to the camera so you can see the finished eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial for Valentine's Day, and even if you don't have a Valentine and we're all probably going to be staying at home chilling, which I definitely prefer to just be at home and relaxing with some chocolate, you know? Sounds good to me. If you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you join the family here. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays every week. Follow me on Instagram. I'm on there quite a bit. I'm trying to do reels and other content on there, so definitely follow me if you're not following me. All the links, products, where you can follow me, everything is down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I hope you guys have a really awesome day and awesome Valentine's Day as well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.